Good morning, boys and girls. It's Dr. Sanders in room 9, the region's largest classroom. I'm here again to teach you a little pre-K and K, ELA, and math. This is all geared towards our kindergarten and first graders, but remember, it doesn't matter if you're 1, 2, or 102. You can have fun and learn something. That's right, that's right. So let's get started. I forgot to mention, what school do I work at? That's right, Adams Elementary in St. Louis Public School District. And so let's get this started. Let's get it started. Here we go. Let's take a look at our objectives. I will retell stories from beginning to end, talking about a little sequence, and I will measure objects using non-standard tools. And we're going to use some non-standard tools to measure some objects today. So, after we looked at our objectives, I think it's time to get started. So, before we get started, let me take off my hat. Which hat? Oh, that's another St. Louis hat. I'm going to take this hat off, hang it over here, and let's get started. We have some of our friends' names. We have some of our friends' names. And whose name is this? If that's your name, raise your hand. That's right, that's McKenna. Hi, McKenna. What letter does McKenna's name start with? A capital M. Let's spell McKenna. M-A-K-E-N-N-A. M-A-K-E-N-N-A. McKenna. Hi, McKenna. And whose name is this? Prosperity. Hi, Prosperity. How are you doing? What letter does her name start with? A capital P. What's at the end of her name? A Y. Let's spell Prosperity. P-R-O-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y. P-R-O-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y. Hi, Prosperity. And whose name is this? Hi, Travell. I know Travell. Hi, Travell. What letter is this? T. His name starts with a T. What letter is this? A V. He has a V in his name. Let's spell Travell. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E. Hi, Travell. And whose name is this? If this is your name, stand up and say, that's my name. Hi, Landon. Landon's name starts with what letter is this? L. Can you draw L for me? Go. Pull down, slide right. That's right. That's Landon. Let's spell Landon. L-A-N-D-O-N. L-A-N-D-O-N. Hi, Landon. And whose name is this? Hi, Miss Mary. Hi, Mary T. What letter is this? A capital M. Mary's name starts with an M. Let's spell Mary's name. M-A-R-Y. M-A-R-Y. Hey, Mary. Yep, it ends with a Y, just like Prosperity. All right, let's go over our sight words for the week. I bet you can do these already because you're so smart. Sight words. Let's spell them. Let's spell them. Sight words. Okay, here we go. What word is this? Have. Do you have $5 you can loan me? Let's spell have. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. I have the most exciting job in the world, teaching pre-K and teaching on room 9. Whose name is this? What word is this? Right. Stop laughing at me. My. My goodness, he makes a lot of mistakes. My. Let's spell my. My. M-Y. My. Remember, you can add these to your word book. I still have my word book. What word is this? That. That is an awesome thing to do, to add the words to your word book. That. Let's spell that. That. T-H-A-T. That. And whose name is this? I mean, what word is this? She. She is paying attention to her teacher. She is watching television. She is beating up her friend. Oh no. She shouldn't be doing that. She is making her friend feel better. Yes. She. Let's spell she. She. S-H-E. She. And I think we have one more word. On. On. Let's spell on. On. O-N. On. We are working on our sight words. We are working on our sight words. You should, when you're listening to books or reading books, you should use your sight word book, and you should, as you're reading, sometimes you're like, ooh, you'll see the word have. You'll say, ooh, that's one of my sight words. You can say that as you're reading. Or you can just say them if you want. You can say them whenever you want to. All right. Let's talk about sequence. Sequence is how we do things in a row. How you do things in a row, right? Or how they go in beginning, middle, and end. For instance, if I was making myself a cup of ice water, or if I was thirsty, I can't just go get a drink, right? Because I got to make a cup of water. So what do I have to do first? I have to put the water in a cup. But do I have to get a cup first? Yes, I have to get a cup first. And then I got to turn on the faucet. And then I have to put the water inside the cup. Right? Exactly. So sequence is how things go in order. Let's think about this. I want a drink of water. So, what do I do first? Do I just pick up a cup and get a drink of water? Let's see. Let's try that. It's nothing in there. Right. It's nothing in there. So what do I have to do first? Yep, that's right. Get a cup. Get some ice and put some water in there. Right? And then put the top back on the cup. After I put the top back on the cup, I have to turn the cup up. See, I put the top back on. I turn the cup up. And now I can pour the water in my mouth. See, now it's water in there. So you have to... you have to do it in the right way, correct? Then I wipe my mouth because I spilled. All right. Don't laugh at me. But you have to do things in order. Tomorrow, some people have been telling me about making some peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we're going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with some directions that my daughter told me. And we're going to see if it works out. Okay? We'll see. Oh, another thing, like doing this month, we talked about it yesterday. What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? What I would like you to do, before we read our book, what I would like you to do is talk to your grown-ups, so your parents, your teachers, whoever you would like, and tell them why you're thankful. And maybe they can take a video, and when they post that video, they can tag 9 Network in there, and maybe 9 Network will show it. But why are you thankful? You could be thankful for waking up this morning. You could be thankful for that you have clothes on your back. You could be thankful for your friends. I'm thankful for that I can drink. I have water to drink. I'm thankful for I have a beautiful daughter that helps me all the time. So what are you thankful for? So I want you to think about that and take a little video. Have your grown-up take a video of you saying why you're thankful. And then hopefully we can play them sometimes, because it's very important to be thankful for whatever you have. Just be thankful and grateful. Okay? And think about that. So that's your assignment for the week. No, just playing. But be happy with what you're thankful for. Or you can write it down. You can draw a picture of it as well. Everybody stand up. Okay. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. That's a pattern. Up, down, right? Put your hands in the air. And wave them like you just don't care. If you have a beautiful spirit, scream it out and say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Shrug your shoulders. Let's count. Let's do the, what's that? The bankhead bounce. Oh, 1. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this Dr. Sanders can't do the bankhead bounce. That's okay. Let's do the elbow push out. 1, 2, 3 times each way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's count to 10 and do 10 jumping jacks. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's jump up and down 5 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's count down from 10. We're gonna do 10 neck up and back, up, down and ups. We're gonna count back from 10 though. You ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boys and girls, we're gonna read a book today. We're gonna read a book. And sit down on 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, sit right down on the ground or in your chair. Here we go. We're going to read this book, and I want you to think about what happens first. Remember, don't have an empty cup. You got to put water in there first. But what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end? What happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end? And then you'll be able to retell this story if you want to share this story with your classmates or your parents or your grown-ups or your grandmother. You can tell it because you say in the beginning, like yesterday's book and the Ninja Bread Man, and the picture that you say in the beginning, the old man made a Ninja Bread Man and he hopped out of the oven. Then in the middle, he ran away from different animals. And then he came to a river. And then at the end, the old man taught him how to be a ninja, and he was the best ninja in the ninja school. So you could retell the story. This book is called Ben and the Big Balloon. Ben and the Big Balloon. You ready? I'm ready. So let's read this story. Ben and the Big Balloon. This is the what? Front cover. This is the back cover. This is the spine. The person who wrote the book is the what? Author, right. And the person who drew the pictures is the illustrator, correct. So Ben and the Big Balloon. Ben, Big Balloon. They all start with what? B, Big, Ben, Balloon. Boy, ball, bump. All right. So we're reading this with permission from Crabtree Publishing. Big and the Big Balloon. And the author is Sue Graves. Mom got Ben a big balloon. It went up and up. Ben went up and up. Calm down, said Mom. I can't, said Ben. I'm flying. The balloon went over Grandma's house. Calm down, Ben. I can't, said Ben. I'm flying. Hi, Grandma. The balloon hit a tree. Come down, said everyone. I can't, said Ben. I'm stuck. Dad got Ben down. Can I have a new balloon? Ben asked. No, 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 said everyone. Did you like that story? Maybe. It was okay? Tell me, who was the main character in that story? Who's the book all about? Ben, yes. Ben was the book was all about. So tell me, what happened first in the story? What happened at the beginning? Ben's mom bought him a what? A balloon? Yes. Yes. And then what happened? What happened? Right, he started what? Flying. Who would like to fly? If you close your eyes right now, we'll get back to this book in real. Close your eyes real quick. And imagine you have a very big balloon. And imagine that you're flying. Look down. What do you see? Ooh, you see your house? You can use your imagination to fly too. Ooh, you see your school? Hey, I see you up there. Dr. Sanders sees you. Wave to Dr. Sanders. All right, so you can use your imagination sometimes too, right? Okay, let's get back to our book. In the beginning, Ben got a big balloon and started flying, right? And in the middle, he flew over what? His house, his grandma's house. And then what happened? He got stuck. That's towards the end too, and at the end, what happened? Right, his parents said, he asked for another balloon, and what they say? No! Why shouldn't he get another balloon? Why do you don't think he should get another balloon? Because he might go flying again. That's right. That's right. So that's the beginning, middle, end of the book. All right. We're done with that part. We're done with that part. Oh. I love to see some of your sequence pictures of the gingerbread man. Measuring. How do you measure? How do you measure? But before we measure, let's count by 5s and 10s to 100. And then we'll come back to do a little measuring. You ready? Yes. Okay, here we go. Let's count by 5s and 10s to 100. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh, those are not numbers. That's right. I gotta get the number chart. I gotta get the number chart. I think you fooled me. We still could have counted our letters in our alphabet and see how many letters we have. All right, let's count by 5s and 10s to 100. Zeros over there somewhere, right? Anyway, let's count by 5s and 10s to 100. Starting at 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That was counting by 5s. Now we're going to count by 10s to 100. You ready? Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, we're going to count from 81 to 100 by 1s. We're not going to do the whole thing. We're going to start at 81. All right? You remember 81, then what comes next? 82. All right? You ready? Here we go. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Give me that 100. That 100. What 3 digits make up 100? 1, 0, 0, 100. Okay. Now let's do a little measurement. I was a little too fast to do a little measurement, wasn't I? Okay, let's do a little measuring. What do we want to measure today? Do we want to measure... Ooh, anybody have this remote right here? You have this remote right here? Let's measure this remote. What can we use to measure this remote? Oh, you know what we could use? I have some paper clips around here. So I'm going to use paper clips. So I'm going to put the paper clips up next to the remote to see how tall the remote is. Do I have enough paper clips? Stop moving, paper clip. Maybe I need one more, because it's not an exact measurement. It's an about measurement. It's like an estimate. When you get older, you learn all about that. So let's count about how many paper clips long is the remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6 paper clips long. Ooh, how about a sheet of paper? Now we know if you had a ruler, what you really use to measure, that it's probably about 11 inches long. But we want to measure using, let's use markers. How many markers long or wide is the piece of paper? 1. It's about what? It's about 2 markers tall. It's about 2 markers tall. Another thing you can measure is your what? Is the book we read today. We can measure the book we read today. So let's see how tall our book is. What do you want to use? Paper clips? Okay, let's use paper clips. Paper clips. So we already have some together. Let's see, we got to add a couple more. Is that long enough? Nope, that's not long enough. Let's add a couple more paper clips. Oh, that's just about right, isn't it? So we got how tall it is. We got the paper clips, right? So now let's count the paper clips. Can you see them? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 paper clips tall. And let's see how wide it is. You think it's 8 this way too? Let's see. So it's 8 tall. Ooh, we have to take some away, don't we? So let's take a couple away. Let's see if we measured right. That's about right. Right? So let's see how many paper clips wide it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6 paper clips wide. So you can measure anything and a lot of things. You can measure, let's see, I can measure my thumb using, what do we want to use? Using quarters. Let's see how many quarters tall is my thumb. You can look very carefully. You can see, look, it's kind of hard. If I was on the ground, I can see it. It's about what? 1, 2. It's about 3/4 long. What about my pinky? Pinky is about what? About 2, maybe 3. But you can measure with different things around your house. How about you? You can measure with spoons. Like you can see how many spoons wide your TV is. So take some spoons out the drawer with your grown-up's permission and measure the spoons, or measure the table, or measure your pencil, or measure your forehead with popsicle sticks. Ooh, I need a bunch of popsicle sticks. But, boys and girls, you can measure how much time we have left. None! Boys and girls, what room is this? That's right, room 9. Let's spell 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Thank you for being with us.
Teaching in Room 9 is made possible with support of Bank of America, Dana Brown Charitable Trust, Emerson, and viewers like you.